Oh, here we go again, yeah. Oh, here we go again. Let's do it one more time, yeah. Oh, here we go again. Oh, 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 oh,
Call anytime you need me, and I'm gonna find you. And if you fall, I will be someone you can trust. I'm right behind you. And I'm on your side, and I wanna see you fly. You gotta make up your mind.
Papasok lang yan.
Don't you let another day pass you by. Don't wait for tomorrow.
Thank you.
You ain't got that kind
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too. Don't be sad. Don't be sad.
You promise me you'll hold on to all the life that still lies deep inside of you. And life has a way of breaking you down and leaving you breathless.
Growing up, I was one of those guys who always kind of believed that it was always the hero who gets the girl.
You can lose the feeling.
Ay, thank you. Dearest baby bear. This is it, we're getting married. Can't believe that the days just passed by so fast. My greatest gratitude goes to the wonderful people around us who helped us and love us. If not for them, we wouldn't be able to be here where we are today. Baby, you're the best boyfriend and the best fiancé in the world the girl could ever have. You mean the world to me. I never knew that life could be so beautiful until I experienced it with you. As we see each other later and commit to each other before God, I just want you to know that a promise is a promise and that I'll forever keep. I will always love you no matter what.
'Cause you ain't got that kind of time. And baby, you were born to shine. But do you know there's no guarantee for tomorrow? And promise me you'll hold on to all the light that still lies deep inside of you. And even though your road seems long, you will find your way. Remember, you are not alone, 'cause I am here to stay whenever you need someone to light up your way, pointing you the way back home. You can always count on me. Don't fear, I will be here for you.
When I stepped into that restaurant, I was afraid, I was petrified. Even then, I took a deep breath, buried my fears, and did my best. Showed the best that I could be, and you did the same. Little did I know that on that day, I finally found my princess in her castle. Oh. And it didn't have to be like Mario. I only had to be myself.
Every
Super Mario
step takes you
Brothers.
closer.
Thank you, Vivi.
The stars will show us. It's all waiting for us. Every turn a living color. Heaven knows what we'll discover. A story.
Sis, I'll be missing you. Thank you for being with us all these years and being with Papa, taking care of Papa. And I love you, sis. I know you work so hard and I'm so proud of you to have reached this far. I love you. I hope you keep in touch kahit kasal mo, ha?
I never knew that I could be very happy, so happy ever in my life. That is all because of you. Thank you so much for everything, and I can't wait to see you later.